In a world of white, a penguin named Pinny lived by the icy shores. Content with his daily waddle, he was the envy of all his peers. Yet, Pinny was restless, yearning for something more. One day, Pinny noticed a towering iceberg in the distance, a sight unseen before. The iceberg was magnificent, snow-capped and shimmering under the sun. Pinny's heart fluttered, a strange feeling he'd never felt before. A voice inside him whispered, "What if?" A thought that dared him to venture out, to leap across the treacherous waters and claim the iceberg as his own. The other penguins scoffed, reminding him of his limitations, of the danger that awaited him. But Pinny, with the courage of 1,000 suns, took a deep breath and plunged into the freezing water. With every stroke, his heart pounded louder, but he pressed on, for he knew that his leap was not just for the iceberg, but for something far greater. As he neared the iceberg, a fierce wind blew, threatening to sweep him away. Panic surged within him, but Pinny remembered the voice that had whispered, "What if?" and he found the strength to continue. Finally, with a triumphant cry, Pinny reached the iceberg. He stood tall, his heart beating wildly, but he had done it. He had dared to dream, to leap, to conquer. From that day forward, Pinny was no longer just a penguin. He was a symbol of courage, of dreams realized, and of the power of faith. And whenever a young penguin felt the stirrings of adventure, they would look at Pinny and remember, "What if?" So, the next time you find yourself standing at the edge, looking at a leap of faith, remember Pinny. Remember that the greatest reward is not in the destination, but in the leap itself, for it is in the leap that we truly discover who we are.